Good. As you know, river, ponds, lake, and wells are our source of water. Do you know, oceans play an important role in supplying the water that we use.
These sources of water is not saline anymore. Ocean water is saline, and we live far away from oceans. How does oceans play an important role in our source of water?
Very good question. That is where the water cycle comes in. Let us observe a few things. These are wet cloths. After some time these becomes dry. The water seems to disappear. Where does this water go? This is the wet floor and after some time it becomes dry. Observe this rainy water on the road. After some time where does this water go? To understand this, let us do an activity. This is the vessel, and pour water in it, and mix some salt in it. Children, now tell me what type of water it is.
Saline water. That is salt water.
Now, heat this water. Observe water being evaporated, and level of the water in the vessel gradually decreases. Finally, the water evaporated and the salt was left behind. Now what you have observed from this experiment?
Water changes into its vapor when heated. Water vapor does not carry salts. Therefore salts remain in the vessel.
Okay, where is the vapor? Water vapor becomes part of the air and cannot usually be seen. We also found that heating is essential to convert water into its vapor. Let's do one more activity. Take two similar plates and pour equal amount of water in it. Place one of the plates in sunlight and keep the other under shade. Observe the level of water every 2 hours. What you noticed? Water in the plate placed under the sunlight almost evaporated. Water level in the plate placed under the shade considerably reduced. After some time later, water in that plate also evaporated. Children, tell me, what is the source of heat for this evaporation?
Sunlight is the source of heat.
Correct. Sunlight is the source of heat for both the plates. Water in this plate quickly evaporated because of more heat due to direct sunlight. Water in this plate slowly evaporated because of less heat. What you understand from this?
If the heat is more, water evaporates quickly.
Wet cloths. After some time these becomes dry. Wet floor. And after some time it becomes dry. Rainy water on the road. After some time, how does this water disappear?
Water evaporated and disappeared because of sunlight.
Yes, similarly during the daytime, sunlight falls on the water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. The fields and other land areas also receive sunlight. As a result, water from all these places continuously changes into vapor. When ocean water is evaporated, the salts dissolved in the water are left behind.